I actually really enjoy using Wakelet because it's very easy to create new collections, and I can just go ahead and add a new one here or go through my bookmarks, and it's just very simple, like my bookmarks, which like all my links, notes, anything like that. And for I have two different sections. One is just for like the general assistive technology, like how it can affect people's lives. I have four videos on here, which has really helped me research the just like the general subject. And if I go back to my other collection for sensory and physical assistive technology, I focus more on primarily like hearing loss and sensory technology and how understanding it can really help students and teachers take their first step in growing and evolving with technology. And I downloaded the browser extension, and when I click on a new tab, it is very easy to click on to use my tabs and see what I have open on my browser and create a collection with these tabs. And it's very easy for researching projects. And yeah, I think that's it.